Hi, Stan with 3D Pt. This is part 2 of the video on pressing paper. Now, I did the second pressing, and I made some changes from the first. First, I added some more cardboard to the mix. Second, I actually ended up running through my food dehydrator twice. And to try and account for the expansion issue I hit in the first video, link up here. In order to compensate for that, I actually tried pressing the actual crayons into the mix. Let me show you how that looked. Let's see. So you can see the result here. This one on the left is the second one, and unfortunately it turned out worse than the first here. For the first one, I let this dry for about 2 days, then put it through the food dehydrator. This one, the distortion on it is just as bad, even though I used the crayons to try and press the shape in. When I took it out, I accidentally broke off this part. So I just quickly glued that back in, and I ran this through the dehydrator twice. And I don't know if it's just the mix or if I was just too aggressive. But I ended up actually drying this out really, really bad, and it just distorted and cracked over this one. So the dimension, the shrinkage issue is still an issue. So in the future, you have to really play around with this if you want to do something that's going to work as a packaging product. Also play around with the mix, because I think this is more just the office paper recycled paper mix versus the cardboard mix here. So keep that in mind, and if you do this, play around with the mix. But yeah, this was about 90% paper, this was 90% cardboard. I was thinking the cardboard would work better. I also didn't shred up some of the cardboard, so you could see some of the flakes here of like the shred cardboard. I didn't mix that as well. And I kind of used that to plaster over it. But that might have actually been a mistake. So I'll show the rest of this stuff for the video. But this is part 2. I don't think I'm going to come back to this anytime soon, because there's no market for selling the crayons or any of this right now. But I'll keep this in mind if I want to do a project like this in the future.